Okay, oh, it's now? Oh my God. Yes, please.
Let's get to the park. We can do that.
Please,
the park
please,
ride.
thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, good to meet you. My name is Jaquetta Carazana Yifashewa. I come from the United States of America.
And I believe I'm not mistaken. I believe we came to meet with Mr. Efwape on Love TV, right?
That is correct.
So for how long have you met him? For how long have you known him?
I met him in 2013 and we've been close ever since.
Good. With rating his work and knowledge in Ifa religion, what can you say about it?
His knowledge is unmeasurable. He is vast in everything that he knows, especially in Approché and Ebo. Like top of the line.
Thank you. So what advice could you give him related to the religion where you met him and you were impressed to meet him there?
Rephrase the question for me. I want to be sure that I understand.
Okay. I said, what advice could you give him? Because you were impressed meeting him in Ifa religion and what you met so far about him that impressed you.
I would say, of course, to stick close to Ifa because it's even in his Odu Ifa since he was born that if he stayed close to Ifa, that he would be a huge personality, and that he is. So by way of him sticking close to Ifa, he benefits not only himself, his area, his community, but the rest of the world, the rest of us as well.
Thank you very much. And what advice do you give people in Africa, people in Nigeria, and people in the world, and even people where you come from on this Ifa religion?
So, if you are especially from Africa and anyone in the diaspora that is
advice, please.
African Americans especially, stay close to your